we're going to take a look at order of operations, and just to give you an example, let's look at the example 6 plus 4 divided by 2. If I asked you to solve that, what a lot of kids do is they take 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now if we took the calculator and did 6 plus 4 divided by 2, we get 8. So we get two conflicting answers. One is 5 and one is 8. Which one is the right one? I'll tell you right now that the 8 is the correct answer, and I'm going to show you why and how we get that 8 as the correct answer. So whenever simplifying algebraic expressions, we always want to do our operations, and we don't do them in a specific order. And the way we do that is by doing first our parentheses, which will include brackets, and also your absolute value brackets. After that, you always take care of exponents. After that is multiplication and division. Alright, and the way we do these, we do them from left to right, almost as if you're reading a book. Alright, and lastly what we'll do is addition and subtraction. And just like multiplication and division, they are done from left to right. So let's look at the example, let's see, 8 plus 2 minus 2 times 3. Now in this problem we have addition, subtraction, and multiplication. According to my orders of operation, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents. We do have multiplication, and we do have addition and subtraction. Now multiplication and division, it must be done before we do the addition and subtraction. So let's take care of this 2 times 3. 8 plus 2, the minus sign comes down as well. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I'm just left with addition and subtraction. When we have just addition and subtraction, we do them from left to right. 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. Let's take a look at 7 minus 3 divided by negative 1 plus 3. Alright, so now we're combining our knowledge of adding and subtracting integers, and also with orders of operations. We must do what's in parentheses first. P is for parentheses. 7 minus 3 is a 4 divided by a negative 1 plus a 3. They're opposite signs, a negative 1 and a positive 3, so you're going to subtract a 2. 3 minus 1 is a 2. And keep the sign of the larger number. 3 is a larger than 1, so it's a positive 2. And now we have 4 divided by 2, which is just 2. Right, let's take a look at one final example. 3 plus 4 squared divided by 2 plus 3 times 5. Alright, so now we have a little bit of everything except for parentheses. And according to our order of operations, right, we start here and go down. The first thing we run into are the exponents. So let's take care of our exponents, and what we're going to do is take care of this and then rewrite everything. We'll slowly simplify, and eventually you'll start to skip steps. 4 squared is 16, and we're going to rewrite the rest. Alright, now we're left with addition, division, addition, and multiplication. The next thing in the steps is multiplication and division. We do those left to right. So we're going to have a 3. Now here I have division. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Right? And then I have a plus. 3 times 5 is 15. Right? Once we're at this step, we're left with just addition. 8 plus 3 or 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 15. And then we're just left with 26.